Hi, so I got some of these tassel zipper pulls from Dream Big. They have a hole to put like part of the tassel in, and then you have a little screw to go in the back. I kind of want to play around with them a little bit. So normally, I mean, these are not attached together. Normally you'd get a strip of thing, you'd cut fringe in it, and then you'd roll it up, stick it in there, and put the screw in. I have all of these little bits of scrap, and what I was planning to do was put a bunch of these together. I have two of these, so I can do a couple different versions, but I'll cut them up a little bit more. But I was planning on seeing if I could get them to like lay correctly, that you could just shove it in here and make a tassel with all of the scrap. So that was my first plan. And then I saw this video of this company that makes a tassel with a charger in the middle of the tassel, so it's like hidden. So my thought was, what if, so you could do it with this, you could do, this is the Silent Hero tape, you could do it with a piece of scrap or whatever. You put either a D-ring in the middle, so you could like hook something to it, or an actual hook. And then you could put whatever you want in the middle of a little tassel on your zipper. Then I also thought, hey, this could probably fit in it. So if you like, I mean, kind of made a loop, and you could have a little D-ring, a little hook, something for your keys, something like that. That could work in it. We could make some little like zipper, even like a little zipper pouch almost. Kind of like, I don't know. We're gonna play around with it. So let's see what we can do. Okay, so let's see. I'm thinking I'm gonna start with all this scrap. That's actually technically a different color, so that one might be used. Maybe it'll be the inside piece, depending on how much I have. We might not even need it. We have a lot here actually. So I'm going to figure out how long I want the little tassel thing. I'm thinking like 3 inches at the most, and then with added in there 3.5 inch pieces. So how long is this? That would give a couple. 7. So 3.5 is 7. Oh, I think we could get 3 out of that. So let's cut that. There's 3. Let's see how close we are. Yeah, we can fit more. So I'm going to leave that piece. I think this cut in half will be a little, be about the same. Maybe slightly skinnier. Okay, perfect. Now those cut into 3.5 inch. Oh, we got a little waste. little waist. It is a little hard to do this part, I'm not gonna lie. This is a little bit tough, so let's see here. So what I'm thinking is if I can get these to all kind of lay together and maybe sew through it. Maybe. We will think about it. Okay. Ooh, I think I got it all. Okay, so that will fit. I think that's a fairly good amount. Look, it already looks kind of cute. So now we just got to figure out how to get this all together. So I could either do glue. That's an option. I could just kind of glue it all together. How many of these do I have? 5, 10. So I have 10 little, these are about a 1/4 inch pieces. So I could just like glue on top of each other. Like back to back. Okay. We're playing with it. We're working it out. I think for this vinyl, like it's not too bad on the back. I will be checking, like I want that up in the thing, not to show at the bottom of the fringe on the back. I've taken like my Sharpies and just like Sharpied the back to look as much like the front as I can. I don't think I'm going to do that with this one just because I'm playing with it. I've also taken a lighter to the fuzzy side so it doesn't, so it's a little bit cleaner. I don't think I'm going to do that right now because I'm just playing with this. Okay, what I'm thinking is, we'll be right back. Maybe this is just like a washi tape I have. If it'll actually come off. Where's the end? There's the end. Okay. So, debating whether to sew like a couple lines there. I'd have to do a pretty small stitch so it made sure to get on a stitch through each thing. Let me check that out. Okay, that actually worked pretty well. I have a Juki Industrial and I've never done a small stitch with it before. This is the 2. I was actually surprised with how small that was. So let's see if we did the whole like wrap up method that you normally do for fringe. Oh, let's take that piece of tape off because that is not. Okay. So if we just like wrapped it, staying together pretty well, and shove it. It's pretty good. All right, we do have room in this. So what I want to do is, so this is one of Dream Big's like 1/2 inch D-rings. I like it because this is the 1/2 inch D-ring I've gotten from like normal places, and this is Dream Big. It's so tiny and small and nice for projects like this. So like obviously this would not hold a lot. Do I want to fold in? No, I think I just like, so this is that other color, but if it's up in the top, I don't think you're gonna see a difference. And this one's angled, so I can pick how wide I want it. So I think I like about that. Okay. Let's just right about there. Okay. What I'm gonna do is get a little double-sided tape. Could maybe double-sided tape the whole thing too. That could be an option. I'm gonna put that right there. Okay, so we're taking this out, and then we're gonna put this in the middle and try, let's try that. Getting a little stiletto and just gonna try and help shove everything in. Might be better if this was a little smaller. I think that would lay maybe just slightly better. Okay. So how you do this is this goes in here and you screw it in. On my little power tool. So let's see. Oh, so sorry. That was wobbly. Okay, let's see how well this does. Like I said, I've never done one of these before, so Oh yeah. Oh, that is so secure. Okay. Look at it. And then you could make a little like clip. You could put your keys on it, like a little chapstick, whatever you wanted. Look at that. And if you don't like that, you just take that off. I like it. All right. So let's try another one. So I really do want to try the webbing. So I'm thinking I kind of have the heart at the bottom and the exos. Is that a little long? It's a little long. Where could we? We like this. Put that in. And then, yeah, we like that pattern a little bit more. Here's my flame. Just burns the ends together a bit. Okay, so I think for this one, I think we do want an actual clip. We could do a D-ring. What do you think? What do we think? So this is the triangle ring. Or we could do a D-ring. I think the clip is going to be more universal. So do we want it like that? Or through the middle like it's really supposed to go? Then it's very like, it's got to be one way. And the heart matches. Okay. Let's see. Don't lose the screw when you open it. So another one. Ooh, this one's a little. So sometimes they might have a little gunk. Just gonna get that out. Better. Okay, let's see. So if this is like that, we want the back, the screw to the back. That's gonna be the back. And we're gonna do that. Now, that does make me nervous about the screw. What it's gonna be going into. Let's just shove it and see. We're experimenting. That's not bad. That's cute. Okay. Ah, no! That's what I told you not to do. Let me find it. Hold on. I found it. Oh, that was a close one. Okay. We are going to be more careful this time. Hold it better. Okay, let's see if this goes through the seatbelt. Into the seatbelt. Oh, it is working harder. Oh, it's going in. Oh. Oh. I might have to get a manual screwdriver. Oh. Okay, I stopped before. Oh, sorry. So sorry. I stopped before it was all the way in because it does feel like it's stripping it. So I might get a manual screwdriver and see if I can get it in the rest of the way. But that is cute. I might that kind of just lays that way. So I feel like it would be better on a zipper that like goes one way, because that side is not as cute and that's facing up. So like Mav pack, maybe I'll make it into a Mav pack. We'll see. Or even the H2O might hang down too low. This one might hang down too low. But yeah, look at that. We have some cute little things to play around with. All right, so now I gotta figure out my mag. So, see you next time. All right, so they're all done. I think they worked out pretty good. I'll do some more stress testing on them and stuff. But I think they'll work out fairly well. So these would be like little wrist straps. You could also do little key rings or whatever with them. Little chapstick holder or whatever. But yeah, I think they'll be fairly interesting to try out. So let me know what you think. If you have any ideas, let me know. I'd love to hear them.